Introducing the Crafty Graph program, where your creativity meets control when creating Graphghan patterns using iMac or HP computers. Design your perfect crochet Graphghan with ease your way. Start by creating a custom grid and choose your yarn colors. Want to bring your own images into the design? From portraits to clip art, it's all possible. With powerful features like creating yarn colors, fill in color, outline your design, and overlay text, your design possibilities are endless. Whether you're simplifying complex designs or adding fine details, Crafty Graph has you covered. Once your pattern is ready, save and export it as an image or PDF. Plus, enjoy flexible printing options, complete with color keys, grid and written row by row with color count. Crafty Graph program, turning your ideas into patterns and stunning blanket Graphghans, one stitch at a time. Start your design journey today. Join us for the Crafty Graph workshops. Comment, "I'm ready to get more information."